What's up? What's up? We're starting off this video in Connecticut. We've been up here for my son's first year birthday celebration with part of his family. More than half of his family is from here, so just been up here doing a little bit of family time for him and stuff. But today we have the uncles here, and they have really badass stuff. For example, this. And then we got Stack right here.
Yeah.
What's up, Stack? What you gotta say?
None. This is we came out here for Zakai's birthday weekend. Stopped by our one of our family members' house, and he's got some pretty cool stuff.
The Dre right here.
I put it all the way to it just clears.
Jesus.
Look, if you close the door, the wheel falls right in there. It doesn't even touch.
Shit, man. He won't be able to pick up the baby.
Oh, shit.
Oof. Shit, yo, these mosquitoes are wild.
Yeah, let me get you.
No.
Oh, he can't.
Yo, you know what I feel like? You know when you see them hot pieces of doodles just laying there and they're just all over it? This is for Maine. Cheap. And this is on bags. Like, really unique, really cool. A big brake upgrade. Nice wheel. Beautiful setup.
Before they came out, I did this in 2020. Before they came out with the systems, and now they have them for it. And,
So this is a setup you put together yourself.
yeah.
Yeah, there's a manual too. That is cool.
The bag, did it custom with the metal cuts.
Yeah.
You know, this is 15 to 90 years since 20. The new bag, they came out with the 9,000, and I did the aluminum cups now, and they're a little bit better than the regular bag. Set up the bag for that.
That's cool. It's crazy how much it actually drops.
Willwood 6-pot in the front.
And what brakes you got in the rear?
Same thing as Willwood, but those are 4-piston. These are 6-piston. It's a 2007. It's got the Doc Race undermount.
Crazy.
Got grass on it. Still in work in progress. So you got the plugs here for, because I ran it's all stock, but it's got the full turbo, and then we're doing. I got Fuel Tech rail coming in for you know, for the injectors, and then I'm gonna do my own Fuel Tech to operate that system. I'm doing 2 Hellcat fuel pumps, and then I'm doing just the stock high pressure just to keep it. 'Cause these cars, you need maintenance on them.
Yeah.
And I got everything good, you know, water pump, new radiator, CS, and like I said, big turbo underneath. So then it's just the management. I like to do my own tuning for say, so you know I'm gonna try to do something with Fuel Tech where I can do my own management. And then I'll do a 8 HP, probably 50 upgrade transmission to do, you know, with the paddle shift, which I want.
Yeah.
These trannies, they can take a little bit of torque, not too much. You start getting up in 900, they don't handle the torque. So right now 600 easy, and then 900, you know, with the upgrade.
Nasty. This is the old school where it started.
Yeah, we got this miata from way back. We used to, this is old school. This system right here is probably, I'm gonna say 25 years plus this setup. A lot of people probably won't believe it, but we used to run Tech 3 system, full standalone back. This is 25 years ago, with a stock intake, but it's all upgraded. And I got staged injection. This is actually 25 years ago. Those who know. And you can see the primaries up top, stock intake. I got rid of the butterflies in here. It's got a system where it split the intake, and a 99 motor where they wanted to keep the torque but make the intake longer. So I got rid of all that. We got a Ford throttle body, and then we got injectors, primary and secondary. I welded into the bottom and staged injection where we used to have electromotive, but their system, they never upgraded their system. But Fuel Tech now came out with their system. These guys from, shout out to them, Fuel Tech, they battery system. Now I'm upgrading to that, and now I can just run my project again. So this is going to be a nice one. This engine did like 440 to the wheels back then. So with that system, I'll say 500, just easy, nothing too drastic. We might do a K-swap after, we'll see. But this is the Miata motor 1.8. So it's probably like a 1.9 now with the pistons, and run good. Just like I said, we upgrading the system since the electromotor outdated. They never came out with anything. So Fuel Tech is getting our project going again. And we got the racing brakes. We got the old SSRs. Never, like I said, 25 years ago. See the rust buildup. We just starting the project up again. So side exhaust, 3-inch full downpipe, full race, solid rotor racing. Work in progress. We got the mini Fuel Tech. Everything's being wired, so it's a project.
Be a little rocky. Alright, we got some crazy stuff in here, Pop?
Yeah, we've been doing this for a long time. We've been doing this before YouTube came out.
Yeah.
Before anybody was doing the stuff we're doing. This is a toy. fight.
What we got?
Show side piece is gonna be having. This is getting turbos, and right now the stock exhaust. Got the side upgrades, upgraded Barnett Kevlar clutch. For those who know, this is a complete side piece. So when you change your oil, you don't have to drop the whole thing. It's a cartridge. Got a lot of stuff inside, you know, just the oil, upgraded oil pump. And I do have a 181 big kit coming, and it's going to be full turbo that you can see. It's got the fuel tech on there with all the goodies. Makes it a 181. This is a 125 right now. It makes it a 181. Forged crank piston. I got it already. I just got to disassemble the motor. I got to get it. It's a tool that splits the case.
That's cool.
And then we got over here project from back in the 2000s. Miata that he was working on. He did all the body work to it. He widened the back. It's been sitting here for a while, but this is all metal. This is not fiberglass. This is all metal work. The fenders were, he bought extra fenders, and he did these canals for it. It's about 2 inches or 4 inches wider than a regular Corvette. Imagine it's shorter, how short a Miata is, but the back has been widened. Car had a Tacoma motor that was going to go in it. 2.7 pushing out 1,200 horse. It just, you know, so many projects, so many things going on. We just, you know, it went to the side and now it's sitting here. And you can see it's got full cage inside. Everything was. Anybody looking for a project that wants to take over and finish it, hit us up. You know the channel. That's all metal. Everything was formed. Talking about from the from the 2000s.
And this is as wide as what? A Corvette?
It's 4 inches wider than a Corvette.
Jesus. Oh, you can see the stock wheel.
Yeah.
How far it is.
Yeah. Yeah. And the bumper's been widened, so you can see the bumper's over there. The bumper's been widened. Like I said, all this that's all metal. Nothing even, everything was welded in. You don't even see the seams. All metal.
With the hard top and everything.
Yep, hard top.
Wow. The cage with the gussets.
Chromoly.
Wow. Jesus.
This was 2011. So I bought a house and then I had to, you know, I lost the shop. So once you buy the house, you gotta, the house is the priority.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're heading out of Connecticut. Gotta make it to the airport, but cool to see family over here. Cool projects. We'll be back soon. There's gonna be much more to show. This is my son's. It was his gift from his grandparents up here. Really cool. This was from Pop and Gigi, so I'll post a clip from him pulling into his birthday with this. It was race car team, as you can see, so real cool. Yeah, man. So as you guys see, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Pretty cool trip. Got to spend some time with the family. Got to hit the casinos a few times and had some fun. My son's birthday was the best part, so it was really cool. Good time up here in Connecticut. Excited to see where these builds take off from here, and then continue to share more of the stuff that happens up here as well as what we do down south, you know. So that'll be pretty cool to have on the channel for sure. So happy I was able to introduce this stuff today. It's really cool stuff. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate the love and support. On to the next one.